Okay, this is a big one and something that everybody gets really confused about. Sugar alcohols. So, sugar alcohols are ingredients that are in anything that's listed as low carb, protein bars, anything from no sugar, like your low carb pancake mixes, low carb cakes, anything like that at all. You will see sugar alcohols as anything that ends in tol on your ingredients list. So maltitol, sorbitol, xylitol, those things. They aren't actual foods, they are chemicals, and they do take up calories, but they're not listed in the macronutrient breakdown. So I'm going to try and explain this to you in as much depth as possible. And this is why you will see when you have something like a protein bar, why you at the end of your day have used all of your calories, but you still have carbs or fats left over. Why these things don't add up. So I have a Muscle Nation protein bar to explain this to you. Now, this has 211 calories listed, but when we do the breakdown, it's not accurate. So 211 calories, and what we know is that it has 15.5 grams of protein in it. 15.5 times by 4, because 1 gram of protein is 4 calories. That is 62 calories. Then what we are looking for is the fact that it has 5.3 grams of fat in it. 5.3 times 9, because there is 9 calories per 1 gram of fat, is 47.7. So 47.7 and 62, we'll write these down. And then it has listed 5.1 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of carbs is 4 calories. So that is 20.4 calories. When you add up 20.4 plus 62 calories worth of protein plus 47.7 calories of fats, you get 130.1 calories. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but as I said, the protein bar is 211 calories. So 211 calories minus the actual 130.1 that it's telling you from the macronutrient split is in there, leaves an uncounted for amount of 80.9 calories. What do we have listed here? We have sorbitol at 4.3, 4.3 times 4 for carbohydrates, 17.2. And then we have maltitol, 9.5 grams, plus the sorbitol at 4.3 grams, plus the glycerol of 5.4 grams, glycerol, plus the isomalt at 2.5 grams. 21.7 grams of ingredients not accounted for in the macronutrient split. When we times those by 4, you get 86.8 calories. This is where the missing calories come from in your protein bar. Those are your sugar alcohols, and that is why when you have foods like that, you will reach your calorie target, but you will not reach your carbohydrate target. When you're eating these foods, I don't want you to restrict them, but I want you to be aware of them. And that is why I always suggest that you hit your protein target and you hit your calories. If you have macronutrients of carbs or fats left over, not to fill them in and not to exceed your calories, because you actually have eaten them. Your low carb protein bars aren't as awesome as they seem. They do have hidden carbohydrates in them. They just don't have to list them on the macronutrient table. And you cannot eat them back even though that they are left in your macronutrient goals once you've hit your calories. I hope this makes sense. It can be quite confusing, but if it is, please let me know and I will answer any questions on them. The main thing is to know, do not restrict them, but just don't go over your calories.